So this is the set 5 of the important MCQ question answer series on machine learning, and these questions are important for different competitive examinations like UGC, NTA, NET, GATE, and ISRO scientist examination, placement interviews, and other competitive examinations. So if you have not already gone through the set 1, set 2, set 3, and set 4, the links for which I have given in the description box below, go and check them. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe this and do share with your friends. So let's start today's session. This question in the last lecture, I was trying to discuss that Bayesian classifier. So this Bayesian classifier, among this option, this will be option B will be the correct option, because this Bayesian classifier is based on the Bayes theorem, and that Bayes theorem is a famous probabilistic, one of the famous probabilistic theory. Okay, so about this Bayes theorem, in my machine learning lecture series that the playlist I am giving in the description box below, I am explaining with examples. So I hope that will help you. So coming to the next question. Next question is bias or bias. Okay, so bias is a, first option says, a class of learning algorithm that tries to find an optimum classification of a set of examples using the probabilistic theory. Option B, any mechanism employed by a learning system to constrain the search space of a hypothesis. Option C, an approach to the design of learning algorithms that is inspired by the fact that when people encounter new situations, they often explain them by reference to a familiar experiences, adapting the explanations to fit to the new situations. And option D, none of these above. So let me give you a hint. Whenever we say bias, okay, this means was this is a kind of assumption towards one particular thing. Okay, so with that, actually you are trying to putting some constraints. Okay, you are supposed moving to the right direction only. Okay, so you are biased to the right direction. That is a common example, just to explain you what does the term bias mean. So you are putting some constraints to the charge, and you are moving only to the right direction. Okay, right hand side direction, that is bias. Now in this case, what will be the option? Guess it and answer it. As always, after asking every question, I pause for a few seconds within which you need to answer the question, and after the lecture you will post your score that you have obtained. So answer to this question is B, that is bias is an mechanism employed by a learning system to constrain the search space of a hypothesis. Got it? In this case also, we are trying to putting constraint on the search space of a hypothesis. So machine learning bias, also sometimes called algorithm bias or AI bias, is a phenomenon that occurs when an algorithm produces results that are systematically prejudiced due to erroneous assumptions on them in the case of machine learning process. Got it? So this results due to the erroneous assumptions. And sometimes these questions may also be asked, what would happen when high bias will occur? Or okay, so answer will be high bias can cause an algorithm to miss the relevant relations between features and target outputs. Underfitting. So bias is the accuracy of our prediction. A high bias means the prediction will be inaccurate. So whenever high bias occurs, then there is a more chance of inaccurate result. Clear? So I hope the concept regarding bias is clear to you. Moving to the next question. Next question is, multidimensional knowledge is option A class of learning algorithms that try to derive a prologue program from examples. Then a table with n independent attributes can be seen as n-dimensional space, that is option B. Option C, a prediction made by using an extremely simple method such as always predicting the same output, and option D, none of this. So multi-dimensional knowledge, what will be the answer? And the answer is option B, that is a table with n independent attributes that can be seen as an n-dimensional space. I hope if you have attended my lecture series on machine learning, there I have explained the term multi-dimension with examples. Even my data warehouse class also I have explained it. So multi-dimensional view means you are trying to view every attribute of a table as a different dimension. Let me give you an example. Suppose you have a table student and the attributes are, say student ID, student name, student, suppose class information. So this student ID, student name, and student class information, these are attributes. But if I consider them as separate dimension, then that is a three-dimensional table. Clear? Similarly, for n independent attributes, if we consider them separate dimension, then this will be a multi-dimensional knowledge space, and that will have n dimension. Okay, so I hope this concept of multi-dimensional knowledge is clear to you. Still some doubt if you have, then do ask me through the comment box. Okay, that is for you. Next question, background knowledge referred to, option A says additional acquaintance, okay, used by learning algorithm to facilitate the learning process. Option B says a neural network that makes use of a hidden layer. Option C, it is a form of automatic learning. Option D, none of the above, none of this. So what is background knowledge? So let me give you again one more hint to you. Whenever you have some background knowledge regarding a problem, then that would be more easy to frame a specific solution to that problem because you have already some additional knowledge you have. Okay, so that will help you to facilitate the learning process or problem solving process more efficiently. Correct. So what is the answer in this question? For this question, answer is of course option A, that is additional acquaintance used by a learning algorithm to facilitate the learning process. That is our background knowledge. Clear? So coming to the next question, what is binary attribute? Binary attributes are, option A, this takes only two values. In general, these values will be 0 and 1 and they can be coded as 1 bit. Option B, the natural environment of a certain species. Option C, system that can be used without knowledge of internal operation. And option D, none of this. So I am not going to pause few seconds here because the answer is very simple. Of course, binary attributes is what? Option A, this takes only two values. In general, these values will be 0 and 1 and they can be coded as 1 bit. Still, I have seen sometimes students make mistakes regarding this, answering this type of questions. So that's why I'm putting this here. Next question, what is cluster? Cluster is option A, group of similar objects that differ significantly from other objects. Option B says operations on a database to transform or simplify data in order to prepare it for a machine learning algorithm. Option C says symbolic representation of facts or ideas from which information can potentially be extracted. And option D says none of this. So what is the answer? So do remember guys, cluster means what? A group. In machine learning, we used to say group as a cluster, and within that group, we have those objects which are showing similarity, high similarity among themselves, but they will be different from other groups, objects of falling under different other group or cluster. So that will be very simple to answer now. A cluster is option A will be the correct answer. That is a group of similar objects that differ significantly from other objects. Clear? The concept of cluster is, I hope, clear to you. Next question, what is an auto-associative network? This is very important question. Option A says a neural network that contains no loops. Option B, a neural network that contains feedback. Option C, a neural network that has only one loop. And option D says a single layer feed-forward neural network with pre-processing. Your time started now. Do remember guys, auto-associative network, let me tell you the answer. Answer will be option B. Okay, an auto-associative network is equivalent to a neural network that contains feedbacks, and